Hi guys, how are you today? Our topic is the Halloween threads horror. You are watching the candles. Now you are watching the bottles in horror shape. You are watching the tree uh, with the horror shapes. You are watching a skull made keychain necklace. You are watching a horror thread. You are watching the candles and some costumes. You are watching the leaves painted on eyes. You are watching the mushrooms uh, eyes. You are watching the three oval flower pots horror threads. You are watching the baby hang with tree horror trees. You are watching a plant and half legs. You are watching a bottle and made with horror. You are watching a snail uh, made for horror. You are watching two dolls, horror threads. You are watching three necklaces, horror shapes. You are watching a uh, plant eating the baby. You are watching the um, you are watching the doll thread horror. You are watching some skulls and tomatoes. You are watching a box, a horror costume inside. You are watching a horror costume for Halloween. You are watching different costumes, masks for Halloween. You are watching horror costumes for Halloween. You are watching three horror dolls for Halloween. You are watching the horror character, pumpkin character. You are watching horror uh, thread. You are watching a horror costume inside the garden. You are watching a tree based gate and skulls. You are watching a costume make for Halloween. You are watching thread based horror costumes. You are watching different faces, horror faces for Halloween. You are watching a skull made for horror.